Welcome, Top Networkers Group in the building. As always, I want to thank every single person who subscribes to our channel, who follows our videos, who has watched our videos. I need a huge favor from you. I need you to actually go through some of our latest videos and leave a comment. Like, really and truly, just leave a comment, whether it's good or bad. Let me know if you have enjoyed or learned or gained anything from the content shared on this channel. But more importantly, leave that comment in case someone else coming by also has a comment but may be afraid to share. Again, I'm talking to my subscribers first and foremost, because again, you're the ones who, again, have propped me up in the first place. You're the ones that make my numbers look good when we talk about this Top Networkers Group channel. Again, awesome number there. I like it. Coming in at 1100, 1111. Really nice. Really like that. So again, check it out. Now, if you're not a subscriber, again, hit that subscribe below and come through the channel. Again, check out some of the stuff that we have for you, including some of our older videos. We're going to update some of these playlists pretty soon here, but check out some of what we have for you. There's a lot of good stuff in here for you, especially the network marketing training from Top Networkers Group. There are about 19 videos in there that I think you're going to benefit from, especially if you're in the network marketing industry. There are some things I have coming for you very soon, network marketing related, that have to do with really cleaning up the industry and getting things a little bit tighter, right? Top Networkers Group has come a long way, if you ask me. We've been through a lot of things, including TSU, the free social network that went out of business. We exposed a lot of people to that concept. Right now, I'm doing a lot of personal blogging on a site called Steemit. Okay, I will leave links in the comments for you. If you're on Steemit, let's start networking. Come on to my page again, drop some comments. Let me know that you came from the channel, and I'll definitely come check you out and leave some comments on your content. Vote some of your content up. Again, looking very much forward to networking with many of you in that regard. Now, here's the other thing I want to ask you guys. Again, come comment on the channel. Come drop in on Steemit. Let's talk about some of our content. Let's exchange links. Let's network on that platform. Again, that's a cryptocurrency-based social network where they're actually paying us in their own cryptocurrency called Steem, and also Steam-backed dollars, or SBD. For those of you who are following cryptocurrency, who are investing in cryptocurrency, one of the things that you will see is that Top Networkers Group has been involved. Let me pull that back up there. Wow. Okay, well, we're going to be drawing here for just a second. Give me one moment here. Let's see here. Awesome. Well, I apologize. We're testing out some new tech here too, to actually start doing some more, which is the third thing I was going to tell you. We have a lot of content coming to the channel. I'm actually going to be downloading some actual broadcasting software to get on here a little bit more often. Some things have changed on YouTube. They don't really allow you to just get on here through the Hangouts and through some of the methods that I was using to broadcast and to make video content. Because, I'm not really the kind of guy that's going to do too much in this area, especially since we're talking network marketing. One of the biggest things about it is it has to be duplicatable. And too often people go out and do these extravagant production things, super duper intros, music, all types of fancy, smancy stuff. And it's simply not duplicatable. It's not empowering to your team. One of the things about network marketing is everybody should be able to do the things that you're doing. If you're a leader in any industry, or any company in this industry, your team should be able to do the things that you do. And this is one of the things we've always stressed from Top Networkers Group. One of the real important things I want to drive home to you while I try to figure out how to bring that navigation screen back up so I can get these things here off the screen here, because again, I don't want to just draw all over the page. But yeah, no, I've been actually taught by some of the best network marketers that there are. I'm not saying that to brag or anything of that nature. Not trying to impress you, but to impress upon you that I've learned this game from the best. The first company I was involved in taught me a very important lesson about network marketing, and that is the business has to be affordable. Too many of these network marketing companies out here, if you'll agree with me, there are too many network marketing companies in the first place, but too many of them are just not affordable opportunities. Like literally and truly, like for people that have a good job, they may be able to have the disposable income to invest in these opportunities month after month. But often, again, the initial price to get started, or even some of the qualifications on the month to month, just start to add up when that residual isn't building up. Right? When your outgo is more than your income, that can be discouraging. Right? Let's see here if I can figure out a couple things here. Okay. Still not sure where to get my navigation panel from. So I apologize, you guys. I'm gonna have to take a break here, because again, I was really just testing this out in the first place, and again, I do plan on bringing you much more content here very soon, especially once I figure out how to. Okay, here it is. It's got to be in here somewhere. Nope. Awesome. Hide toolbox. How about that? Alt D. Maybe it has to be in the recording window here. Let's try this over here again. Alt T. There we go. Man. All right. And we're back in the game. Awesome. Now, how do I get rid of all the drawings here? Erasers. Okay. Fantastic. So yeah, we're gonna be using some of this technology here to bring you some more videos. Hope you guys are excited about that. Tons of updates. I have added a couple new programs to the One MLM system. Again, Top Networkers Group was created based on a lot of experiences that I've had in the industry, things that I know many of you are having in the industry. And it really comes down to the fact, and this is not up for debate. If you want to debate, this isn't the team for you. But it comes down to the fact that far too many of you guys are just learning the game all wrong, right? Like you're being taught all these shortcuts, like all these automated, things to do. Create a Facebook page, create a Twitter, use this automated tool, you use that automated tool. But what's missing for so many of you is the larger picture of network marketing. Like there's a way to go about doing these things. I was thinking about this driving in. Like I need to start creating content for you guys, especially those of you who are subscribers, that hits on the fact that we've done a pretty good job here. We're just sort of looking for the right partners at this point in time in terms of Top Networkers Group. See, again, some of the experiences that I've gone through personally have helped me verify that the theories I'm putting forward are actually true. Okay? So, first and foremost, what you need to understand is that you'll want to subscribe to this channel to get all that content. I'm actually running out of time here. I'll be back with more for you very soon. Thanks for watching.